In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to play 1x1x1x1 in Forsaken Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to acquire the 1x1x1x1 killer in Forsaken Mobile and how to actually play as him. So you will need to purchase him from the shop, so you tap on this icon here with the coin at the left side of the screen, and on the killers category, you will find him here. He is going to be the most expensive. He costs 1,250. And you can see the summary here, general information, the physical manifestation of pure malice, hatred, and negativity himself. So all of the stats are here. He has a difficulty rating of 4 stars, 1,100 health, regular speed of 8, sprinting speed of 27, 110 stamina. He loses 9.5 per second, he gains 21 per second, and the terror radius is 60 studs. So by combining these abilities here, you will be able to play as 1x1x1x1 in Forsaken. He is going to have the slash, mass infection, entanglement. There's a lot to read over, so sadly for a video of this nature, I cannot read over everything. And then Rejuvenate the Rotten and Unstable Eye. So by using a combination of all of these abilities, you will be able to play as him. Because his arsenal consists of ranged attacks, long-range engagement is vital to your success. Use Entanglement and Mass Infection as a combo to deal high damage, and Unstable Eye can speed you up. So when you are starting a chase, be sure to use Unstable Eye. Rejuvenate the Rotten can be used to summon minions that deal good damage and they apply constant pressure to Mass Infection. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.